Alright guys, how's it going? Working on a manure shredder. I made a piece. This is the old piece I cut out here. I had some fan shroud tin. It's pretty close to the same thickness, so it's a galvanized piece. And I cut it out and then I bent it, put the curve in there. I kind of thought I would be pushing my luck if I tried to cut off the whole thing and then reshape it. It's got a lot of cancer in the back here, but I'm just gonna put a bigger plate on this guy right here, your outside bracket for your. This phone sure is jumpy. It must be cold or something. Not that cold in here, but whatever. Because there's your inside plate here, fit your beaters on. And that'll all kind of bolt it together and hold it, so it's gonna warm right there. So yeah, just got done welding it all up the rest of the way. I welded on some last night and kind of hoping it'll work, so I don't know, it looks better than it did, so I'll maybe beat the slag off. It's not the world's best welds, but it's galvanized and rusty steel, and some spots she's thin, and it's not the easiest with an arc welder, so if you had a wire feed you could probably make it a little easier, but I don't have wire feed right now, so someday maybe. It's on the list. I still haven't got to town to get bearings. I gotta do that yet. Hopefully tomorrow we'll see once. So I get new bearing and bearing holders. I haven't got much farther, but I get a little piece cut out and put on there, and then I'll bring it back for that and show you that and see if that works. And I got the holes drilled in there, you see, and should line up hopefully. And yeah, just make a little progress on the manure shredder. So we'll bring it back in a little bit. Okay, they'll be like a video. See, I got some fixing to do, so. Oh well, only something. Alright, got a quick paint job. not real good. The spray can that I got is not the right spray nozzle. I do know how to paint, actually, if anybody believes me or not, but that's definitely, oh yeah, you see the runs in it, whatever. Okay, I was pissed around with that a little bit. I got this on here now. Piece of flat strap. This is not too bad. It actually welded pretty nice, actually. So still slag on there, but whatever. Alright, well, I'll maybe let that paint kind of dry for a couple minutes and bolt it on there, and we got that much done anyway, so yeah, should last for a couple more years. See what happens. Better than it was, right? I guess so. I don't know. It's not a new shredder anymore, like I said, so she's a good one. I really like this Hydro Push, I tell you that. I've spread a lot of shit if you don't believe me. I have through the years, and I'd never go back to an apron chain ever ever. No. So John Deere doesn't make spreaders anymore, so maybe Kuhn, or who knows what the next one will be, but I would like a vertical beater. That'd be kind of nice. They do a really nice job, and it'd be nice to get one. See what happens. There's always a need for another manure shredder, that's for sure. But so many other things to do too, so tractors get fixed and stuff like that. So all right, enough jabbering. I'll get that other piece on there and we'll see what she looks like. Yeah, she's got a lot of cancer on her, but seems solid. Should work. Probably nice if I fill that in, but maybe I should just leave that out so I can clean the manure out of there instead of it just piling up in there. And backside's not too bad, but it'll work. Whatever. It is what it is. So, alright. Got that part fixed. So I just gotta get the bearings and I'll get them bearings off here. And yeah. I'm gonna need that triangle style bearing holder. Just the way it sits in there. If you had it round, I don't think it'll work. Maybe just get a round one, just cut the back or one side off. Then it'd work. See once. I don't know if I have any. I'm pretty sure they're 1 3/16 bearings. John Deere loves using 1 3/16. I know that, so they really like to use that size bearing. So if you're working on John Deere, stock up on 1 3/16 bearings. So everybody else would use 1 1/4, 1/8, but not John Deere. So that's their deal. So whatever. All right. See what else I get into. Alright, well, it's next day or so here. I got a sheet of steel in here. I'm gonna cut some paddles out. I already started cutting. I got one started anyways. So I need to cut out a couple more of them. Okay, yeah, this is a sheet of steel just laying around, so you never know what you can make out of a piece of scrap steel, right? Got the bearings, got the holders. So hopefully here, a little bit here today, I can get this back together and finally get something fixed once, right? Alright, well, I'm going to cut a bunch more paddles out. I think I need 6 total. We'll get them, get that beater in there, and then I'll weld them on there and straighten the ones that are bent. Straighten them out, I guess, as good as I can. And that'll be kind of nice, and she'll be kind of fixed up for a little while. So, yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna get to cutting and bring it back. I get something else done. You know, a guy thinks he's just gonna really go at something, and then you just, you start, getting after it, and you just start making your, and then. Show off. Well, it's empty. So luckily, I know somebody on a Saturday afternoon that handles these, and I called old Travis up, and he said, yeah, I'm at work, so mint, I can go get some oxygen. So I was really hoping I wasn't going to run out of that today, but at least I can still get it, and it'll take me a good 45 minutes or more to get it. But it is what it is, so yeah, always something. Pretty sweet, an oxygen tank on Saturday afternoon. Alright, well, I got the paddles cut out somewhere. Well, they're crude, but you know what? It's better than what I got. And I got the beater put in. It's kind of dumb. I had to take that side loose, that side of piece, so I could push it over, because both of the bearing flanges go on the inside on both sides. So figured keep it that way. It must be a reason for it. So alright, I just gotta lock the lock collars on, and I'm done with that. I gotta tighten that up yet, and it's not loose. Yeah, bolts are in, but and then I'll weld the beaters on and put everything back together. I gotta straighten, like I said, them out as good as I can, and we should be sitting pretty good. Alright, well, I think I'm going to tighten that flange up and see if I can get these crudely made paddles welded on here and see what happens. Oh, I'm not done yet, but making progress. Oh. There's a lot of beading, and two old ones there, they were kind of close together, so I bent them out and re-welded the cracks. And that one there was one that was folded over flat. I got that one up. That's the one I'm working on right now, and I got one more in the end there. You see, it's looks like a duck foot there, just kind of laying flat. Get that one bent back, and yeah, we'll be. I haven't seen as many beaters on the top beater or paddles on the top beater for a couple of years. So yeah, it'd be kind of nice. So I'm not going to get it done here this afternoon because it was taking me longer, and I had to run and get oxygen, and then I got some sound loader parts on my way by since it was on the way, and well, you might as well kill two birds with one stone, and price gas and everything else. And so things take a little longer as you stop and talk to people and order parts, and you stop and get oxygen and you BS a little bit, and then away you go. So yeah, guy doesn't always get as far as he always would really like, but everybody knows that situation. So alright, just we're gonna get this done. I need it spreading again, not sitting in the shop making everything a mess in here more than it already is. So alright, well, I'll bring you back, I don't know when, maybe tonight or tomorrow, and finish this dang thing up, and we'll see you then. Well, I made it back in the shop here tonight after chores, and you know, I said last clip or the clip before that, I says I've been doing a lot of beating and pounding, and what I've been doing is using the chipping hammer, and I just go around where the old beaters broke off. That line there is from the grinder cutting the twine and crap off, net wrap. If anybody's wondering what that is. Anyways, I just did it around this one here. So I'll just tap all around it, and you can see it, and then all your rust pops off. Instead of sitting there grinding and wasting grinding wheels and everything else, it actually works real good. It flakes and pops off, and away you go. So alright, I'm back at it, and hopefully here tonight we can get the rest of what do we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's just 4 left. Alright. I had to cut out one more. I thought I needed only 7 and I needed 8, so we'll get at her, and I want to get this done and move on to maybe getting the tractor going so we can have a tractor to haul manure. Alright. I'll probably bring you guys back when I get them all welded on. Well, I ain't seen that many paddles on it since I bought the damn thing. Alright. Well, that took me a lot longer than I thought it was gonna, but you know, it is what it is, and will it work? Of course it'll work. It ain't perfect. They're far from factory, but I don't care. It's a manure spreader, for crying out loud. Come on, guys. Yeah. Here, we'll jump out and get the backside view. The salesman view. Just give me a second. I ain't as good as I want, so let's... Shoot. Shut the welder off first. Tyler's working on this lawnmower like usual. He's working on the pressure washer too. Storage like usual. But yeah, looks good. Oh, that's nice. Alright, all I got left, put sprocket on, and we'll be good. So, we're going to call this one a video. Manure spreader's fixed. Sprocket doesn't take that much effort to put on, and hopefully the next time you guys see it, it'll be doing what it's supposed to be doing, not sitting in the shop waiting for repairs. So, yeah. Alright guys, it's well past my bedtime. I'm at 2:30 in the morning, and I've had enough today, and the spreader's pretty much fixed, and oh, hopefully the weather straightens out, and hope everybody had a good weekend, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. See ya.